In this next set of questions, we'll be solving systems of equations that contain nonlinear equations. Solve x squared plus y squared equals 36 and 3x plus 4y equals 24. This is a system of equations, and since we have one that's nonlinear and one that is linear, we'll take the linear one and we'll solve for one of the variables. Let's solve for x. In the second equation, we have 3x equals 24 minus 4y. So x equals 24 minus 4y over 3. Then we'll take this value for x and substitute it for x in the first equation. That gives us 24 minus 4y over 3 squared plus y squared equals 36. When we multiply this out, we would get 24 squared is 576 minus 192y, that's 24 times negative 4y times 2, plus 16y squared, all of that over 9, plus y squared equals 36. Now when we end up simplifying this, we'll be able to write this just as a regular quadratic equation. Let's multiply both sides by 9. When we do that, we multiply this by 9, we get 576 minus 192y plus 16y squared. Then we multiply this by 9, and then we multiply 36 by 9, and we get 324. That's clearing the equation of fractions. And then when we combine terms, we get 25y squared minus 192y, and then 576 minus 324 gives us 252. Now we have a quadratic equation. It turns out that this quadratic equation does factor, though it might be kind of hard to see that, so you might want to solve this using the quadratic formula. Either way, factoring or by using the quadratic formula, we would find that y equals 42 over 25, or y equals 6. Now we take those two values for y and we find the corresponding x values. So we have these two values for y, and we also know that x equals 24 minus 4y over 3. So if y is 42/25, then x is 24 minus 4 times 42/25, all divided by 3. And when we work that out, we have that x is 144 over 25. That gives us one solution. And if y is 6, we would have x is 24 minus 4 times 6 over 3, which would be 24 minus 24 over 3, or 0. So we would have two ordered pairs as solutions, and we could say the solutions are, the first ordered pair listing the x first would be 144 over 25 and 42 over 25. And the second pair would be 0, 6.